Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our podcast, where we delve into the ever-evolving world of technology and innovation. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic, Linera, a decentralized blockchain infrastructure designed for highly scalable and low-latency Web3 applications. Now, if you're wondering what makes Linera so special, you're in for a treat. This platform isn't just about transactions. It's about transforming the way applications are built and run in the digital space. So let's break it down. First off, the core of Linera revolves around a series of components, each playing a unique role. Think of it like a complex machine where every cog matters. At the base, we have Linera Base, which handles cryptographic frameworks. This foundational layer sets the tone for security and trustworthiness in the whole ecosystem. Then we move up to Linera Version, which manages version information. It's similar to keeping track of different software versions on your computer, essential in ensuring compatibility and smooth performance. Without this, chaos could reign. Now let's talk about Linera Views. This library maps complex data structures onto a key-value store, simplifying how data is stored and accessed. It's like organizing your closet from sheer messiness into clear sections for shoes, clothes, and accessories. Suddenly, finding what you need is a breeze. Next in line is Linera Execution, which focuses on the logic and persistence behind running these Linera applications. It's important to think about how we execute tasks and manage data so that everything flows seamlessly. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that each musician plays in harmony. Then comes Linera Chain, where the magic of blockchains happens. It manages chains of blocks, certificates, and even cross-chain messaging. Picture a series of trains, blocks, on a railway, the chain, all communicating with central stations, certificates, to ensure smooth travel from one destination to another. As we build upon this structure, Linera Storage defines how we store data efficiently and safely atop the chain. You could say it's akin to upgrading from a shoebox to a well-organized storage unit. Everything has its designated spot. Now, let's not forget Linera Core, the heart of the linera-protocol, which manages client-server interactions and node synchronization. This part is crucial because without harmonious communication between clients and servers, the entire system could falter. For those of you who like to tinker, Linera SDK comes into play. This library allows developers to create their own Linera applications using Rust for the Wasm virtual machine, opening up endless possibilities for innovation. It's like giving developers a toolbox with all the right instruments to build amazing creations. Now, for our developers out there, setting up a local test network might sound daunting, but fear not. Linera has made it pretty straightforward. With just a few commands, you can compile binaries, set up your test network, and even start transferring between microchains. It's a hands-on opportunity to get familiar with how this decentralized world operates. So, for a bit of fun, imagine creating your mini blockchain town with different chains representing households and watching how they interact. What would you do differently? Where would you place your validators, the trusted neighbors? As we wrap up today's discussion, let's reflect on what we've learned. Linera is not just a blockchain. It's a comprehensive infrastructure that prioritizes scalability and speed, which are essential as we navigate the demands of Web3 applications. Each part of Linera plays a crucial role, much like each member of a team working toward a common goal. Before we sign off, I'd love for our listeners to consider this. How do you envision the future of decentralized applications like those built on Linera?